Somewhere along the way, healthcare prioritized customer service over clinical care. Patients and families, the nurse becomes the emotional buffer for broken systems, absorbing frustration created by delays, staffing shortages, and administrative decisions far beyond our control. The nurse is no longer seen first as a clinician, but as a service representative. And yes, many patients and families are grateful. I wouldn't be a nurse for 12 years if most of my interactions with patients and family members were negative. But we feel that. But increasingly, the respect feels conditional. Compassion is expected endlessly, even when resources are depleted and boundaries are constantly ignored. And at the same time, the profession itself is being quietly diminished. Nursing is no longer consistently classified as a professional degree, in which it really is. That distinction matters. It affects the funding, federal loans, and advanced education. Nurses are told that change is meant to help. We're told, well, it's to control the cost, to protect students. But truth be told, if that was really true, why not regulate tuition? Why not cap what schools can charge instead of limiting what nurses are allowed to borrow? I mean, make it make sense. Wouldn't that be the better solution to the problem? Most nurses don't want excessive debt. Trust. I mean, you could pay off my loans. I would greatly appreciate it. Matter of fact, I wouldn't want to be in loans. I would just like to go to school. We want equitable access to education. We borrow what we need to grow. Come advanced clinicians. Come advanced educators, leaders. Restricting borrowing without addressing inflated tuition doesn't protect nurses. It restricts them. Leadership often praises resilience while dependent on it as an excuse for neglect. We're thanked in emails while staffing grids tighten. We're told nursing is a calling, a ministry. I mean, the language sounds noble, but it's too often used to justify sacrifice without structural support. And still, nurses show up. We show up because we remember when we mattered. Not just during a crisis, but as professionals. You go take a look at history, the Civil War, most recent history, the pandemic. We show up. Our footprints are all over history. We remember unity, the respect, the understanding that nursing is skilled, intellectual, and essential work. Essential work. Essential work. This means when the government shuts down, our services are still needed. The question is not whether are nurses willing to serve. The question is whether healthcare leaders, policymakers, and the public are willing to see us again. Not as heroes only when it's convenient. Matter of fact, don't call me a hero ever again. Because if it's conditional, I don't want it. We're not in customer service. We're not customer service agents and scrubs. We're professionals whose safety, education, and voices deserve protection. Because when nurses are invisible, patients are never truly safe. Your mom is not safe. Your dad is not safe. Your daughter is not safe. Your son is not safe. You are not safe. And we cannot afford to forget that again.